Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin also worked out pretty well today. I think just after my video today, we started to move. After my earlier video today was a significant move to the upside, all pretty much working out so far very nicely. And that was the target for the wave 3 that has been achieved. Let me just double check. I think we went actually a little bit higher than originally anticipated. We actually reached the 2.382 Fibonacci extension, so even more bullish than it would have needed to be. The actual minimum, it's always the minimum target for the wave 3, highlighted here in yellow, is usually the 1.618 extension, but that is always the minimum. If there is a bullish sentiment going on, and if altcoins are really in a bull run, and Bitcoin as well, they normally do more than just the 1.618 extension. So that's a good signal as well. When we were then up here, I communicated to the channel members on the signals channel, and also by updating here my trading view charts, which you can follow if you become a channel member, then that we are probably going to retrace into this area here. That then also happened. Shortly afterwards, we have now already reached here the wave 4 target range. Can't remember if I even communicated that in the previous video. I might have done. So where are we now? This now needs, this shifts a little bit, because after the last video, I believe we moved up a little bit. So here, so this would be from the wave 2 low to the wave 3 high. The retracement of a wave 4 is between the 23.6% Fib level and the 50% level. So between 23.9K that was reached and the 23.5K level. And it would now be good in any further retracement to ideally, and that would be bullish, to ideally hold this ascending trend line here, sort of the bear flag trend line, out of which we have broken to the upside. So that would be good to hold that and then to move higher. And I believe we could hold that if we could just come back to the 38.2% Fib level here at 23.7K. That would also be the ideal retracement in a wave 4 anyway. And then we can set off in a wave 5 to the upside. And then let's take a look at the target again, just to remind you, as I think I can probably calculate that target now already and put it onto the chart. That would be of the white wave 1 and the white wave 2 down here. Would take us to this area here ideally. That would sort of be the textbook target as well, between the 1.618 extension, and we go with the 200% extension. So between 24,500 and 24,520 and 24,933. Somewhere here I would expect that to peak. That would be the ideal scenario. There's a second way of how to calculate that target. That would be by taking the length of the wave. That would just by calculating not the direct target of the wave 3 in white, but by calculating the target for the wave 5 in yellow, which in the end is the same thing, but two different ways of calculating a target, and you come to different conclusions. So there are a couple of ways how you can calculate that target, a couple of viable ways. Again, it depends. I can't really calculate that one because I don't know how low the wave 4 really will go. Let's say we already saw the low of the wave 4, then we would go with here the 1-to-1 ratio. That's actually 24,452. So I'm actually going to go a little bit lower with that target range. Another ideal level for that would be the 1.618 extension at 24,821, which I'm just going to highlight here on the chart. And that's where we are. So it's looking good, and currently all going according to plan. We can still focus on this scenario, exactly this one, as long as we stay above 23,380. If we go below that, the wave 4 will be completely invalidated because it would get into the price range of the wave 1. We could then still explore the option of another 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup, where it will then get unrealistic at some point, but for now we can continue to focus on that. Bear in mind, you can also just extend this ascending trend line here. Maybe that is of relevance as well and will provide some additional support going forward. And that's my update about Bitcoin. So we can currently focus on higher, I think. Yeah, it's all going according to plan at the moment. All right, and that's my update about Bitcoin. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership and also check out our Instagram channel and our Twitter. Yeah, you can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.